to our showroom today. I'll be showing you a wide range of quality electronic products ranging from television with amazing picture quality and good sound system to very powerful air conditioners and very durable washing machines to very affordable kitchen appliances and many more. Let's get started today. In an effort to give you very affordable appliances, Ihand Nigeria Limited has also stocked the LG 1.5 split inverter AC. We have also stocked the Hisense air conditioner, the 1.5 horsepower inverter AC. We also have in stock the LG 1.5 horsepower split inverter AC, all at a very affordable prices. Guess what? All our appliances come with warranty, years warranties, and I hope to see you shop from us very soon. We are located at Suites 2 and 3 3SK Plaza, Ladoke Akintola Boulevard, directly opposite the Pizza Hut, not too far from the old market, Garki, Abuja. We are at the center of Garki, at the center of Abuja. Hope to see you at our DM, hope to see you in our messages, hope to see you at our space, hope to see you shop from us. Thank you and have a wonderful time.